Well, one group that's keeping a close eye on the skies is Montana's farming and ranching community. MTN's Anissa Coomer spoke with ag experts to see where this rain is both beneficial and where it could be detrimental.
In the middle of Montana's hot, dry summer, the sound of rainfall is usually good news. For grazing pastures, the moisture is a much-needed boost, greening up fields, softening brittle grass, and lowering chances of wildfires.
For the most part, rain in the middle of July in Montana is a good thing.
Montana Farmers Union President Walter Schweitzer says many hay growers were keeping a close eye on the forecast and planned ahead to avoid damage to freshly cut hay.
Growers were kind of anticipating it and probably quit cutting hay down until this rain came through.
But it's a different story for some grain producers like malting barley and winter wheat. With harvest already underway, too much rain could lower crop quality.
It can bleach the grain and it can impact the falling numbers, which is what the grain trade uses to determine the quality of the wheat to pay the price.
Schweitzer says with the current low winter wheat prices, the financial damage might not be as severe.
And they're not really paying much of a premium for good quality winter wheat. It's probably not going to have that much of an adverse impact.
Any rain in Montana's semi-arid climate is still a positive, especially for pastures and future soil health. For now, producers are grateful for moisture, but are keeping a close eye on their harvest windows. In Great Falls, I'm Anissa Coomer, MTN News.
A verdict has been issued in a case related to an infant that was severely abused in 2009. Last night, a Cascade County jury issued an $11.2 million verdict for Sarah Wilson. Wilson was beaten by her father's live-in girlfriend, Alicia Hochter, in February of 2009. That incident left the then 6-month-old child permanently blind and with a severe traumatic brain injury requiring full-time care. Hochter was found guilty in a 2010 trial and sentenced to 30 years in prison. During the trial, Wilson's attorney, Rafe Graybill, argued the state knew as early as December 28, 2008 that Sarah was being abused. In a press release, he said the verdict also recognizes the importance of properly investigating child abuse and protecting children when the abuse has occurred. Great Falls attorney Max Davis represented the state in the trial and told MTN he was disappointed in the verdict but respects the process.